think the state of Wi-Fi in India is, it is great enabling technology to enable greater connectivity to many, many more people, which is an urgent problem in India. I think the primary issue that's inhibiting that, though, is the lack of available spectrum that enables people to develop innovative business models about deploying new Wi-Fi installations across the country. I think, there are many things that are happening. Availability of spectrum is always a key. Moving spectrum so that it is not specifically under control of companies, but rather can be utilized by individuals to develop innovative new business models. I think this is the model that we're seeing get more and more traction and get more and more success across the globe. And we're seeing tremendous economic benefits from that as well. If you look at some of the examples in many countries, we're starting to see a multiplier effect where the deployment of unlicensed services where create much more economic benefit than can be realized through the sale of private spectrum. Connected cities are an interesting part. There's no one technology that's really going to create the connected city. The connected city is trying to make cities more efficient. You can't build more roads, you can't build enough water supplies, pollution obviously is an issue. There are many, many issues facing cities and the growth of cities, and there's no one technology that will absolutely solve all those problems, but the basic problem you're trying to deal with is congestion management. You have too many people and more people, and you need more services in the city, and so you can't build all these things, so you have to use them more efficiently. So the application of technologies and wireless technologies in particular to make cities more efficient, that's really where I think the future of smart cities is. Well, I think Wi-Fi is a tremendous asset. The growth of Wi-Fi has just been unparalleled. Wi-Fi really, if you look at it historically, started in 1999 with the ratification of the initial Wi-Fi standard as part of the IEEE, and no one anticipated at that time the tremendous growth that has had. And if you look at it now, 15 years later, where literally over 1 billion people use Wi-Fi every day, and there's more than 1 billion devices sold every year that include Wi-Fi, it's had a tremendous effect on the world. And so I think being able to actually celebrate that and recognize that phenomenon is important.